Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making healthy and delicious South Indian dish Sambar, and for that I have taken half cup of dal. I have rinsed it in 1 glass of water, and now I have added 1 glass of water and letting it soak in the water. I have taken handful of dried tamarind. I am washing the tamarind in water. After rinsing, I have discarded the water. And now I am adding 3 glasses of water to the tamarind and letting it soak in the water. While these ingredients soak in the water, let us cut some vegetables. I have taken 2 onions and chopped them roughly. I have taken 4 to 5 drumsticks and peeled them roughly and made 2 to 3 inches of cuts. I have taken 4 chillies and slit them lengthwise. I have taken 4 carrots, peeled them and chopped them roughly. I have taken 3 tomatoes that are chopped roughly. I have taken 1/4 of a big bottle gourd and made cubes from it. If you don't have a bottle gourd at home, you can replace it with cucumber in this recipe. And for the final ingredient, I am taking 4 okras. I have cut the tail and head of the okras and halved them. And for the tempering or tadka, I am taking jeera and mustard seeds and 5 dried chillies that I have washed, and a handful of curry leaves that I have washed as well, and hing or Asafoetida. And for seasoning, I have taken 1 spoon of turmeric, 3 to 4 spoons of salt as per your taste, and 2 spoons of sambar powder. This is available in the market as it is named as sambar powder, or you can make it at home. I have made this at home. And red chilli powder as per your taste. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make sambar. And let's get into the procedure. I have taken a big cooker. The capacity of this cooker is 5 liters, I guess. I have fitted the gasket into the cooker's lid. While using a pressure cooker, always be careful. I am transferring the soaked dal along with the water into the cooker. I am adding 1 more glass of water to the dal. After this, close the lid properly. Always cook the ingredients of a cooker in a low flame or medium flame. And for the dal to cook, as we have soaked it in water prior to cooking, you only need 6 whistles for the dal to cook completely. After 4 to 6 whistles, the pre-soaked dal will be cooked completely. Let the pressure of the cooker come down completely before you try to open the cooker. And in the meantime, I am mashing the tamarind in the water to extract maximum tanginess or tamarindness into the water. Tamarind has more vitamin C than lemon, and it is a very good ingredient. It calms your acid refluxes, and it is good for children also. So using tamarind in your dishes will add extra vitamin C to your dishes and also calm your gut. So I have squeezed the tamarind enough in the water to get the tamarind water that we need to make sambar. Now the cooker has cooled completely and the pressure is also completely down. I have taken the lid off of the pressure cooker. The dal is cooked completely. I am using the back of the ladle to further smoothen the dal. Now I am adding the tamarind juice into the dal. After that, I am adding all the seasonings. Mix them properly so that there are no lumps. Now I am adding all the vegetables that we have previously prepared. You can add many other vegetables to the sambar also, like potatoes, brinjal, beans, whatever you wish. There are some other ways to make sambar, but I use this method almost daily to make sambar in our house. I have added some more water. Close the lid and put the pressure cooker on the stove and let it give one whistle. One whistle is enough to cook all the vegetables that we have placed in the sambar. After the pressure of the pressure cooker is completely down, remove the lid. All the vegetables are completely cooked. Not more than one whistle is required to cook all the vegetables. Now we are making the tempering or tadka that we will be adding to our sambar. For that I have taken 2.5 spoons of oil, vegetable oil, into a pan. Let it heat up a little bit. After the oil is hot enough, add the tadka ingredients into it. Be careful, close the lid of the pan as it will spill. Now I am adding little bit of hing powder to it. You can also add garlic at this stage, garlic cloves to the tadka. Now I am adding the tamarind to the sambar. That's it. Sambar is done. Now I'll show you how to eat it with rice. The sambar and rice mixture is also called as bisibell bath. Sambar with rice is a balanced diet as cereal and pulses make complete source of protein. You get protein from it and carbohydrate from the rice and all the vitamins and minerals from the all the veggies you have added in the sambar. This is vegan and gluten free naturally. A bowl of balanced diet for vegans is ready now. If you are okay with eggs in your diet, then you can add an egg. That is not a vegan option, but if you are okay with eggs, you can add one egg to improve the protein in this meal. Or if you want a vegetarian option, you can finish off this meal with some curd rice. I have taken some rice in a bowl and added fresh homemade curd to the rice. So this is a balanced meal, guys. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you will give it a try.